We all know that technology continues to shape how we live and work. Everything in our world is fast becoming connected and interactive. Our phones and cars, and even our thermostats are getting smarter. Homeowners are getting smarter too. As the heating and cooling industry evolves, they are no longer simply looking at their heating and cooling equipment strictly in terms of its size or efficiency. Today's homeowners are discovering that there is so much more to take into consideration and are turning to experienced professionals for answers. Green Homes America is a nationally recognized authority with the purpose of educating homeowners on how to best go about improving the comfort, health, safety, and energy efficiency of their homes. They select like-minded, quality contractors to be part of their network and connect them with homeowners like you who want to make informed decisions about the investments they make in their homes. Green Homes America's network contractors are experts in home performance. They take the time to truly understand your home and how you live. Maybe you have uneven temperatures from room to room, or perhaps you are concerned about your home's indoor air quality. Many homes have improperly oversized heating and cooling systems, which cycle the units on and off much more frequently, causing unnecessary wear and tear. And if oversized, it may not run long enough to remove the humidity out of your home, which can cause discomfort, excess moisture, and mold problems. Besides asking all the right questions, these home performance experts will also look for effective improvements that can be done to your home, like advanced home and duct air sealing and adding additional insulation. This can allow for correctly sized heating and cooling systems and go a long way to improving your comfort, overall health, safety, and energy usage. Green Homes contractors understand how all the components of your house work together as one complete system, providing you with the best possible efficiency and comfort solutions and achieving immediate and lasting results. Once you better understand how the components of your house are supposed to work together, you can feel confident about your home improvement decisions and trust that your systems will be properly sized, designed, and installed by licensed and insured professionals. And best of all, you may be eligible to receive rebates and easy payment options for many of the upgrades and improvements that your home may need to be more energy efficient. In many cases, the improvements can pay for themselves, all while increasing the value of your home. You deserve to live in a comfortable, efficient, and healthy home, and we can help.